Kids, today I am going to show you how to make paper boat. Take one rectangular size sheet. Fold the paper in the half like this, as you can see, in this way. Make a point in the middle. It is easy to make a center point like this. Fold the both sides into a triangle, as you can see here, like this. Fold the top down paper in both sides. Now you can see it seems like a hat. Fold the corners so that, like this, these corners, so that it exactly looks like a triangle, like this. It is very easy to make triangular like this. See, it seems like a triangle. Grab the corners of the triangle like this and make a square. Like this. As you can see, this is the shape of square. Fold the both sides of square and turn it to the small triangle. And once again we will do the same thing. Fold the both sides of square and turn it to the small triangle. See. Now pull out the triangles of the square, and here is your boat ready to float. Okay kids, we have made a paper boat. Now boat is ready to float. Sing a rhyme along with me. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is just a dream.